Good morning everyone. Today we're going to start the vlog from Gozo with our friends. Let's go. We have left Mgarr Harbor. Now we are heading to the room in front of us. There's Joven and Lawrence, and at the back Daniel and Rania. Let's go. We just arrived at Honda Rumin, our first break, a few kilometers from Mgarr Harbor. Daniel. Now we have reached the fortress of Saint Anthony, and it's about 4.5 kilometers from the Grand Harbor of Gozo, Mgarr. Behind me you can see the stem of this fortress, very nice, even with the ditches. And now let's continue our long hike. Remember, this is day 1 of 3. This is Daniel, Joven, and here we have Rania. Lawrence is somewhere up there. Here we see Daniel repairing Rania's shoes, homemade, until we can go to the next place. Here we arrived at Dahlet Orrot. And if we look on the other side, there are Mistra rocks. You can see behind me there's Mistra rocks, and it's known for its boulders, big boulders. Now we are at the heart of the Mistra rocks, full of boulders, and you have to take care every step because many are loose. Now we are still passing Mistra rocks. We are still covering the Mistra rocks. We are doing it very slowly because there's very large boulders and this is a little trip or slip. So you can see there's no passage. Here is one of the landmarks of the Mistra rocks. It's this pyramid shaped rock. And as you can see here, everything is big boulders. Now we finally find the passage. We are still at Mistra rocks, but now we have a more decent passage we are passing through. Finally we made it to San Blas Bay after Mistra rock, which was very difficult. And now off for a good chisk because we are very thirsty. We have left San Blas and now we are heading to Ramla Hamra. Look what we found here. A shark teeth. And it's not small. Finally we arrived at Ramla Hamra. This is Marsalforn Bay. Finally reached Marsalforn Bay, where we're going to stay for the night because the Gozo trip will be in 3 days. And today we only have maybe a couple kilometers more and we'll be done for the day. We can eat, rest and wash.